What if I told you that skipping your next workout could be the best thing you do for your gains? I know, it goes against everything you've been told. But the truth is, the fitness industry has been lying to you. More pain does not equal more gain. Sometimes, less is more. If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. Now, before you grab your pitchforks and accuse me of promoting laziness, hear me out. I get it. We're all fired up, hitting the gym consistently, chasing that pump, and feeling that satisfying soreness the next day. But here's the thing. Muscle growth doesn't happen in the gym. It happens when you're resting and recovering. The anabolic window. Let's dive into the science. When you train, you're essentially breaking down your muscle tissue. Those micro tears we all love to talk about? That's muscle damage. And while some damage is necessary to stimulate growth, it's only half the equation. The real magic happens afterward in what's called the anabolic window. This is the period after your workout when your body kicks into repair and rebuild mode. Protein synthesis ramps up, and your body starts using the nutrients you consume to create new muscle protein, leading to those gains you're after. But this process can't happen optimally if you're constantly bombarding your body with stress from intense workouts. The importance of sleep. Think of your body like a construction crew working on your muscles. They need time off to rest and recharge, and the most crucial part of that is sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a key player in muscle protein synthesis and repair. Skimp on sleep, and you're essentially shortchanging your gains. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep, it's about the quality too. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, restful sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, optimize your sleep environment, and prioritize sleep like you would any other crucial aspect of your training. Active recovery and nutrition. Now, rest doesn't necessarily mean lying on the couch all day. Active recovery, like light cardio or stretching, can actually promote blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and aid in the recovery process. Think of it as a gentle nudge to your body to keep things moving and speed up recovery. And of course, let's not forget about nutrition. You can't expect your construction crew to work efficiently without the right materials. Fuel your body with adequate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support muscle repair and growth. So the next time you're tempted to push through fatigue or skip rest days in the name of gains, remember this: rest and recovery are not the enemy. They're your secret weapons. By prioritizing rest, sleep, and active recovery, you're not only allowing your muscles to rebuild and grow, but also setting yourself up for long-term success in your fitness journey. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite recovery methods? Do you prioritize sleep and active recovery? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based fitness advice, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, train smart, recover harder, and crush your fitness goals. And if you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.